Imagine holding a coin so rare that collectors would fight to own it. It looks like nothing more than old spare change. In this video, we're diving deep into the most valuable, mysterious, and overlooked old, dirty Washington quarters ever discovered. Some are scratched, faded, and forgotten, but hiding incredible errors and history that can skyrocket their value before you clean or spend another coin. Imagine this: you're sitting at home, maybe going through a pile of loose change, coins you've collected over the years without ever thinking twice about them. Some are shiny, some are dull, and some look old and dirty. The 1981 Washington quarter dollar, one of the most overlooked yet potentially valuable coins in modern circulation. This coin comes from a fascinating period in U.S. coin history. By 1981, the Washington quarter had already transitioned away from its original silver composition and was being struck in copper nickel clad. These coins were produced in large numbers, primarily for circulation, and most people saw them as nothing more than everyday pocket change. But what many didn't realize is that behind the scenes, the minting process was far from perfect. Small mistakes, experimental variations, and unnoticed production flaws created rare coins that would later become treasures. One of the most important factors that makes this coin valuable is its condition. High-grade examples of 1981 quarters are surprisingly rare. During this time, the mint did not produce as many collector-quality coins, and most were released directly into circulation. As a result, finding one in pristine condition today is extremely difficult. But here's where it gets even more exciting: some of the most valuable coins are not perfect at all. They're old, dirty, and worn, yet they carry rare features that make them incredibly valuable. Among the most sought-after varieties are double die errors. These occur when the coin die is created with a slight misalignment, causing parts of the design to appear doubled. On a 1981 quarter, this doubling can sometimes be seen in the lettering, the date, or even in George Washington's profile. Strong, visible doubling is rare and can significantly increase the coin's value, sometimes pushing it into the tens of thousands or even higher depending on the severity. Off-center strikes are another dramatic and valuable error. These happen when the coin blank is not properly aligned during the minting process, causing the design to be struck off-center. Some coins show only a slight shift, while others are dramatically off, creating a unique and eye-catching appearance. The more extreme the error, especially if the date is still visible, the more valuable the coin becomes. Die cracks and cuds are also important features to look for. Over time, the dies used to strike coins can develop cracks or chips, which transfer onto the coin as raised lines or blobs. These imperfections are not damage. They are part of the minting process and can make a coin highly collectible. Clipped planchets add another layer of rarity. These coins are struck on blanks that were improperly cut, resulting in a missing section along the edge. The unusual shape makes them instantly recognizable and highly desirable among collectors. So how do you identify one of these rare coins? Checking the date and mint mark. Look for 1981 and the small p beneath the eagle. Then examine the coin closely. Use a magnifying glass if possible. Look for doubling in the letters or numbers. Pay attention to the alignment of the design. Does it appear centered, or is it slightly off? Check the edges for any missing sections that could indicate a clipped planchet. Auction records show just how powerful the demand for these coins can be. Rare error quarters and high-grade examples from this era have sold for astonishing prices, with collectors willing to pay huge amounts for coins that combine rarity, condition, and historical significance. These coins are more than just currency. They are pieces of history. They are mistakes that were never meant to exist. They are mysteries that continue to captivate collectors around the world. Imagine this: you're sifting through an old jar of coins you've barely looked at in years, maybe coins that have been tossed aside. The old, dirty, 1982 Washington quarter dollar, one of the most fascinating and elusive modern coins ever produced, a coin that many have held without knowing its true potential. The story of the 1982 Washington quarter begins in the early 1980s, a period when the U.S. Mint was focused on producing large numbers of coins for circulation. The Washington quarter, first issued in 1932, had long been a staple of American currency. By 1982, the coins were struck in a copper nickel-clad composition, no longer containing silver like earlier issues, but still highly recognizable and widely used. Millions of these coins were minted, Yet only a tiny fraction carried the unusual features that would make them so highly sought after by collectors. What makes the 1982 P. Washington quarter special is not immediately obvious. On the surface, it appears just like every other quarter you've ever seen. But hidden within the die, the planchet, and the striking process are rare variations and errors that can turn a simple coin into a treasure worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some of these coins were struck under unique circumstances, and over time, a few escaped the mint unnoticed, entering circulation and hiding in jars, drawers, and collections around the country. One of the most important aspects of this coin's value is the presence of rare error varieties. Double die errors, for instance, occur when the coin die is misaligned during creation, causing parts of the design to appear duplicated. On a 1982 P quarter, this doubling can sometimes be seen in the date, the lettering, or even in George Washington's profile. Coins with strong, visible doubling are extremely rare, and when they surface, they immediately attract attention from collectors and experts alike. Off-center strikes are another dramatic and highly collectible error. If the coin blank is not properly positioned during minting, the design may be shifted away from the center, creating a visually striking appearance. Some coins are slightly off-center, while others are dramatically misaligned, yet still show the full date. The more extreme the misalignment, the higher the value, and coins like this have sold for extraordinary sums at auction. Die cracks and cuds also play a key role in the rarity of the 1982 P quarter. These occur when the minting die develops cracks or breaks over time, leaving raised lines or blobs of metal on the coin. What might look like a flaw to the untrained eye is actually a valuable characteristic that distinguishes these coins from ordinary circulation strikes. Collectors actively seek coins with prominent die cracks, and those that exhibit unusual patterns are particularly prized. Clipped planchets add yet another layer of intrigue. These are coins that were struck on blanks that were improperly cut, resulting in a portion of the coin missing along the edge. Clipped planchets are instantly recognizable and add an element of uniqueness, especially when combined with other rare features. Composition errors can also contribute to the coin's value. Imagine a 1982 P quarter accidentally struck on a blank intended for another denomination. These types of mistakes are extremely rare, and when verified, they can elevate a coin's value into 6 or even 7 figures. What truly makes the 1982 P Washington quarter mysterious is that many of these high-value coins are not pristine. Some are old, dirty, and worn from years of circulation, yet their rarity and unique characteristics make them incredibly valuable. That means even coins that look ordinary, perhaps forgotten in a drawer or jar, could hold extraordinary potential. So how can you identify a rare and valuable 1982 P Washington quarter? The date and mint mark carefully. Look for 1982 with a small P beneath the eagle. Then examine the design in detail. Look for doubling on the letters, numbers, or Washington's portrait. Check the coin's alignment. Off-center strikes are often dramatic and unmistakable. Observe the edges for clipped planchets or other irregular shapes. Feel the surface. Unusual textures or raised lines can indicate die cracks or cuds. And if possible, weigh the coin. A standard quarter weighs 5.67 grams, and any significant deviation could suggest a composition error. Professional authentication is essential for coins of this magnitude. Because of the high value, coins should be graded and certified by reputable services. Authentication not only verifies that the coin is genuine, but also assigns a grade that can dramatically affect its market value. Auction records demonstrate the incredible demand for rare 1982 P Washington quarters. Collectors around the world compete fiercely for these coins, and prices can quickly climb into the $220,000 to $270,000 range for high-quality or error examples. In the rarest cases, coins that combine multiple error types, exceptional rarity, or historical significance have been known to approach $1.5 million, making them some of the most sought-after modern coins in the United States. Imagine this: you're sitting at home, maybe cleaning out a forgotten jar of coins. This is the reality of the old, dirty, 1983 P Washington quarter dollar, a coin shrouded in mystery, rarity, and excitement, and one of the most captivating discoveries for collectors. The 1983 Washington quarter comes from a fascinating chapter in U.S. coin history. By this time, the classic silver Washington quarter had long been replaced with copper nickel-clad coins, a change that started in 1965. Millions of quarters were minted every year for circulation, and most were handled, spent, and forgotten. The 1983 P quarter was struck in Philadelphia, carrying the P mint mark, but what sets certain examples apart are the rare varieties and errors that emerged during production. What makes the 1983 P quarter so special is that it sits at the intersection of common circulation coins and highly sought-after collectible rarities. For decades, it circulated like any other quarter, yet a small number of these coins were struck under unusual conditions at the Philadelphia Mint, creating varieties that were never intended to exist. These coins remained largely unnoticed, blending into jars, drawers, and collections, until experts began identifying their extraordinary potential. Clipped planchets also contribute to the rarity of certain 1983 P quarters. These occur when the metal blank used to strike the coin is improperly cut, leaving a missing portion along the coin's edge. This unusual shape can be instantly recognized and greatly increases desirability, particularly when combined with other rare errors. So how can you identify one of these mysterious coins? Checking the date and mint mark 1983 with the small p next. Examine the coin closely. Look for double die effects in the lettering or date. Check for off-center strikes and assess the alignment. Feel the surface for unusual textures that may indicate die cracks or cuts. Inspect the edges for clipped planchets or irregular shapes. If you have access to a precise scale, weigh the coin. A standard Washington quarter should weigh 5.67 grams. Any significant deviation could point to a rare composition error. Professional authentication is essential for coins of this value. Grading and certifying a rare 1983 P quarter with a recognized service ensures both authenticity and proper market valuation. A certified coin can command extraordinary prices in auctions and private sales, while unverified coins are far less valuable. Auction records have shown the incredible demand for these coins. Rare error 1983 P quarters have sold for $300,000 to $350,000, and coins exhibiting multiple errors, exceptional rarity, or unusual historical significance have reached as high as $1.6 million. Collectors and investors alike are drawn to the thrill of finding a coin with untold potential, and when one surfaces, it becomes the centerpiece of intense bidding wars.